Hey, in today's video, we are taking the doors off and we're gonna give you some best practices so that you don't scratch your prized possession. So stay tuned. Let's remove these doors. What is going on, social media family? My name is Jorge Lopez and I am your sales consultant. We are located in Tomball, Texas. Tomball Ford is your dealership. Welcome to yet another video. So make sure that you like, subscribe, and turn that bell notification on so that you don't miss any more videos like today's video, which I'm gonna show you some tips and tricks and how-tos, best practices on removing your doors. So without further ado, follow me. Let me show you what to do to remove these doors. All right, the first step that you guys need to do is prep. So one of the things that I've got lined up right here is your door bags. And guys, if you don't have a door bag, make sure that you get it from your dealership because this makes life a lot easier. And as you can see right there, it tells you what these door bags corresponds to, for which door and which position in the bag you need to put these doors in. The second thing you need is the toolkit that Ford actually provides. It's really cool because it even says Bronco on these ratchets and stuff. So make sure you have your toolkit. The next thing you need to do is prep your cargo area. So if you're going to be putting the doors back over here, you need to prep it with this harness. Okay, it's got a total of 8 anchors. You can see that I've already done 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then the second part of this anchor is on the other side. So if you can imagine all of the doors right over here, and then that top part anchor goes over the doors, and then they anchor on those points. It makes the doors very secure. And the last thing, which is I'm going to show you right now, is prepping the doors. So we need to lower the windows, then we are ready to remove the doors. Okay, so now that you have your 13mm socket and your wrench, start basically the work. So you've got unbolt that. I'll leave it loose there for a moment. Then do this other one and let it loose. Now this is really important, guys. This right here, your connection, the best thing to do is to, with one finger, push it open, and then with your hand, just kind of grab it like it did, and it comes right off. The really cool thing about this is that this trap door will close and it will not let any type of weather go in. So after you've got that done, what I like to do is install the door bags. So I've got my door bag here, and this door bag goes to this door and it goes in the first position in the back. So it's a very heavy duty door bag. Okay, so as you can see, you got a really soft material. You lay it over, lift it up a little bit, make sure it's snug, use the zipper. Now what I like to do is remove the bolts. So because they're just hand tightened, and also this is something you have to remember, the short bolt goes at the bottom and the longer bolt goes on top. So once you've got the bolts removed, now you can easily remove the door. So what I like to do, and the reason why I like to recommend the door bags, is because you got this handle and you can either grab the bottom part of the door, or you can grab this handle right here. So I'm going to grab this, lift up, and the door comes loose. I'll meet you in the back. Go over here. I like to set my door there and finish zipping this baby up. Like you see there. Then you have to make sure that the label is facing you. And now you can just scoot this back. So as you can see, you just lay the first door right there. I'm gonna show you how to remove the other ones, and we're gonna be putting them back in the back. But super important, Ford kit here gives you a little bit of a pouch here actually this one over here, where you can actually store your Bronco bolts right there. Isn't that cool? So with that being said, let me remove the other doors. Can't wait to see this doorless. So let's check that out. Okay. So as you can see, now the doors are inside of the Bronco. You finish latching up on the 4 anchors, and now your doors are secured. You can lower your glass gate and finish it up, locking your doors inside of your Ford Bronco. So now that you have all of the doors off, let's go in reverse and put them back on. However, this time around, you need an extra piece of equipment here that is actually in the Ford Bronco kit. One of them is the door guards and the other one is the door pin right here. Now this is so that you don't scratch your doors when you're putting them in. So in preparation for that, I want to show you a couple things that you can do. You can actually tape the door edges so that you can protect them, or you can go to your auto parts store and get this type of tubing, and you can just cut it in half, as you can see right there, and you can align it on the door edges right there to protect the paint, because this is so easy to damage. So let me show you how to install the doors back onto your Bronco. So one of the first things that you need to do is insert the guide pin. Make sure that you guys don't lose this, because this helps you install the doors a lot easier. So very simple, you just unscrew it on the bottom part of the door. Don't tighten it too much because you want to remove it, and have your tool ready. Have your bolts, your ratchet, and your door guards that I'm going to install here shortly, so that we can go ahead and install the door. So once you have your door ready to be installed, make sure that you grab your door guards. One of them goes about right there, and the other one goes, I install it around right here. Go ahead and prep, grab both handles, make it easy. You got your guide pin, go slowly. So, do you guys hear that? That is a telltale sign that this door is not installed correctly. So make sure that you check everything, because it has to be smooth. So as you can see, no more noise. Bolts have been secured. Double check, make sure that everything is nice and tight. Door number 1 is up. And just like that, your doors on your Ford Bronco are installed. There you have it, guys. This is a short video to showcase how to remove the doors, how to install them, how to place them in the back cargo area, best practices so that you don't scratch and nick the doors of your prized possession Ford Bronco. Hey guys, the comment section below is always open. I read absolutely every single comment that you guys write. I appreciate that feedback. Hey, if you like the video, make sure that you subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Jorge Lopez. Tomball Ford is a dealership. On to the next video. Have a blessed day.